Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method for drawing from your phone. This technique is a fantastic way to improve your drawing accuracy and ensure correct proportions. It involves breaking down a complex image into smaller, more manageable squares. By focusing on one small section at a time, you can achieve a much more precise and satisfying final artwork. It's a foundational skill for many artists. First, select a clear reference photo from your phone's gallery. Next, you'll need to overlay a grid onto this image. Many free photo editing applications offer this feature, allowing you to customize the number of rows and columns. Aim for a grid with easily discernible lines, perhaps a 5x7 or 8x10 square pattern, to make the transfer process smoother and more accurate. Now, it's time to create a physical grid on your drawing paper. Using a ruler and pencil, carefully draw the same number of rows and columns that you applied to your phone image. For example, if your phone grid is 5x7, your paper grid should also be 5x7. Ensure the aspect ratio is consistent. This is crucial for maintaining accurate proportions in your final drawing. With both grids ready, you can begin drawing. Focus on one square on your phone screen and carefully draw only what you see within that corresponding square on your paper. Work systematically, perhaps from top left to bottom right. This method helps you concentrate on small details, ensuring each element is placed correctly. Once all squares are filled, connect your lines to reveal a precise and well-proportioned drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.